welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Today I am decorating my planner for next week, and then tomorrow I'm going to plan the week with you. It's going to be a step-by-step plan with me. So all the products that I'm using for this spread are from Simple Stories Carpe Diem, so I'll link everything below and you can have a look and plan your week as well. I'm keeping the design super simple, super quick, because there's not a lot of time in December for playing with stickers. So I'm really keeping it simple so that I can have a pretty planner that makes me smile when I open it up. At the same time, it's not going to take me long to get it decorated. I go through it pretty quick. It's a little bit bare bones, but at the same time, it's fun. It's ready green. It'll make me smile when I open my planner. Okay, I'll let you watch and I will catch you tomorrow. Don't forget to come back because we are going to plan next week. Okay, I'll see you then. Subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.